The OUMTC is a fantastic way of getting an idea of how the children in your class and in your school are doing with their times tables and how they're progressing with regards to the multiplication tables check. It gives you an opportunity for them to use a familiar platform of Times Tables Rockstars to complete something similar to the multiplication tables check. When they've logged in, rather than seeing the usual home screen, they're presented with one of the familiar TT Rockstars characters. And so they just do sound checks, which are the TT Rockstars equivalent of the multiplication tables check. And then once it's completed, we get all the data, which gives you as a teacher and you as a school a snapshot of how your school is doing, both as a school, but also in comparison to your local area and the national data. That data isn't something you can really access from anywhere else. So given that, the school is going to be, when it comes to the real thing, the school is going to be naturally compared against other schools within the local area and nationally. It's good to get a picture of that, but it's also just really reassuring to know that you are either above national average, at national average, doing roughly as well as the other schools in your borough, doing better than the other schools in your borough, or it might be a good useful moment for you to realise that it's something you need to focus on, and that wherever you're at with your times tables, it's really helpful to have that data and have that information. And I think the OUMTC is uniquely able to provide that information.